Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I have been up and about all morning. Babe woke up and made me breakfast, and I didn't feel like going back to bed, so I've been up just cruising around the house cleaning. Yes, Pumpkin? You want to what? What do you mean? So I have been up and I've been cleaning. I clean this entire house, make it all fresh, and now I'm getting hungry. Dave had went back to sleep because he's tired. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry, so I'm making some lunch. I'm making spaghetti and cabbage and corned beef so that I can get something to eat before I go on the road. I have a few last minute things that I need to get on the road because today might just be the last weekend of the family of 3 before baby girl comes. So this might just be the last weekend before she comes. We don't know, so I'm going to get the last minute things that I need to get on the road because anything can happen any day now. So I'm here making some lunch and then I am gonna head on the road. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if you guys are having the heat, anything like we're having, make sure you guys are staying hydrated and staying cool as you can, because this heat in France is no joke right now. I have to make sure that I freeze Gatorade and freeze water before I go on the road, whenever I'm going on the road. And if I don't have to go out, I don't, because inside is so cool, but outside is hot. Very, very hot. Past Jamaica hot. But yeah, the boys are here acting a fool as usual while I'm in the kitchen.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Tyler did not see you.
Hi guys.
You're gonna fall. Stop jumping in the couch.
What is It's Saturday. I slept. Oh, I don't remember the last time I slept until 11 like I did today. Maybe it was a year ago. Thank you, my wife, for making me sleep. Might be the last time. Every little things that you do, you just say it might be the last time. So yeah, you just sit on the couch without doing anything. It might be the last time.
You better enjoy it, eh?
I do. I do. So yeah, we have some stuff to do. Babe did a lot of walks this morning. When I woke up, the house was super clean, and yeah. So we have some stuff to do in the afternoon. Just gonna do it slowly because outside is very hot, and don't really want to go out now. That is around 12 and
it's scorching.
So we're just gonna wait a bit, rest. Baby's tired, so take our time. We don't have
Not
to
in no rush.
Oh yeah, so we
So
take
no
our
wait
time.
until it gets a little bit cool. Because if you head out now in the middle of midday, I'm gonna just die.
So yeah.
It will be too hot for me. Ready. Just me and Tyler gonna eat because babe had late breakfast. Finally made it on the road. This is not for you.
I don't want because I don't want to here.
We are on the road, you guys. Tyler bulb from his room had went out and we went back to the bulb store, and the cool thing about it is that we had guarantee on it, so we just changed it. We didn't have to pay. Isn't that cool, babe? That's cool, though.
Oh yeah. I didn't even remember. I remember maybe it was like a discount or anything.
No,
like
it was guaranteed because when we buy them, they were expensive.
Okay, Tyler, so you can leave it.
It was expensive when we buy them because a special kind of bulb. Anyway, we're out here in this heat, dreading this Europe heat wave. You want to do the swing? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! 1, 2, 3, wow! Alright, Mama's tired now. Mama's tired now. Alright, now that we got Tyler bulb replaced, you wanna stop here? What's there? Decathlon? Where you wanna go?
No, I believe that was Decathlon.
Yeah, so what you wanna see in Decathlon?
Look at the basket things. That's
Basketball?
not the ball.
The basket?
The basket.
We passed it already?
Yeah, we passed it.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to the toy store. We're going to the toy store because Tyler gonna get a gift for baby girl, for his sister. You're gonna get a gift for sister, and sister gonna get a gift for you, right? So we're going to the toy store next to do that, and then let's see what's our next stop from then. But your girl is out here in skimpy clothes today because it's hot, shawty. Ain't nobody have time for clothes while being 9 months pregnant and this hot. So I'm wearing my Kuya made me do it shirt with just a little shorts underneath.
Every time I walk,
I pass the AC. We're in the toy store. He's in heaven. You going fishing? Okay, do it. Take up the fishing thing, the red one. No, you hold it here. You hold it like this and catch the fish when they open them out. Ah, hurry! You have to hurry before they close them out. Ah, no. You can't hold it. You have to catch it when they open them out fast. Look, when they open them out, push it in. Tyler, no, you cannot stop it. You want me to help you? Push it. Yes, you did it. Catch another one. Oh, that was easy. Good job. Oh, wait on him to open his mouth. Put it in. Oh, faster. Faster. Yay, you did it, Mama. Where are you? Hello, what are you selling in your shop? What is it? It's your house? Okay, I can leave you in there? Alright, bye.
So that's a free use.
cake gift you got for baby sister? Okay. Look, say hi to the babes. You say hi to the babes? Looks sad. I'm so tired. We did our little errands and now we're at Burger King having dinner. I'm shaking. That's how hungry I am. I am so hungry. Tyler have his Happy Meal. I had chicken steakhouse. Babe have bacon lover and fries. He's in there playing. But I'm so hungry, so it's grab time. You ready to eat, babe? Yeah? What are you gonna do now?
Supermarket.
Alright, show the faves the little things we pick up. Show them what we got.
This is some biscuit. I'm going to bring this to school every day.
Alright, show them what else we got.
This is cereal.
Uh-huh. For who?
For me and everyone.
Okay.
What's for me?
What's that?
Bread.
Bread, yeah.
This is Happy Biscuit. They didn't have no chocolate one, and we buy some strawberry one.
Wow, that's gonna be cool.
He wanted to take it to ask him if he's sure he wanted. He said yes, because there wasn't any chocolate.
Okay, cool.
Alright, what else?
What's
That's soap for shower. For you and mama and papa.
To smell good. No, to smell good or to smell God? Which one is
To smell good or to smell good?
it smells good?
good? You sure?
More biscuit is not the same than the other
This one is with white chocolate in the middle and the other one is with brown chocolate. Who love white chocolate?
This one is for Papa?
Who love white chocolate? What? Okay. And mama?
You for me to do that
In your hair? Yeah.
for school.
Not just for school, for every day.
Apple juice.
Right.
For Papa.
Yes.
And for Mama.
Yes, and for me.
That was all the thing we got.
That was
Just
the
a
little
little,
one.
yeah, because we didn't really go shopping.
Yeah, that
Just
was
some
a little-
late
But
late
guess what?
pickup.
What we find when we come back?
A mail! Alright, you and Papa open it. Go on, go open it with Papa.
Let Papa open it.
Ow.
We have mail, honey, you hurting.
Papa, you hurt me.
Sorry.
It's an accident, baby. Go help Papa open the mail. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Why didn't use the scissors and cut straight across? That
I just wanted to make sure that nothing was.
So it's for Tiny.
This is for Tyler.
Auntie Reese sent your shoes. Who sent that? Auntie Sally.
Yes.
It's the new shoes that she sent and it couldn't fit and she resent it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. What do you say to Auntie Sally?
Thanks, Auntie Sally.
Sit down and put it on. Let me see if this one fits. Sit down here. No, sit here. Sit on the floor. Honey, can you help him, please?
Okay. That's so cute.
No, wrong foot. Right.
Hold on.
Ooh. Oh my gosh! Tell her, look at that!
What is that?
Oh my gosh! Ah!
Bring this one to school.
I'm not sure about that.
about that.
No, this one is not
Yes, I want.
what Mama just said. It is not for school.
It's not for school. It's written. It's not for school.
Let me see what.
No, it's written only adult can see it.
Oh my gosh, Ty, lights up! You know when you're gonna wear this one? For your birthday.
So you can light the cake and the shoes.
Wow, look at those lights. Only take time with his foot. Whoa, Ty. Stand up, let me see. Stand up, Ty. Stand, Ty, stand. Wow! Stand up, Ty. Wow! Oh, we need to call Auntie Sally. Oh my gosh, Ty. All right, tell Auntie Sally thank you one more time. Ty, tell Auntie Sally thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera.
Hey, look at the camera and say thank you, Auntie Sally.
Thank you, Auntie Sally.
Him
Look at
obsessed
the
with the
camera,
lights. Babe, move your finger.